Leaving for Chicago. Let's get it, baby. It's time to go. This not my name, my mic. I already realized that. Oh, hold up. Actually. Oh my God. You guys wanna tell them?
Oh my God!
What just took place not too long ago?
You got your shoe shine.
Yep, I got my shoe shine.
Yeah.
Yep.
What happened?
And we missed our flight. So we're laughing, chatting it up, and I'm just like, yo, no one like from our flight is here. Our flight leaves at 10:30. It's about 10:25. You should definitely be on our flight by now. You should go up and check. I'm like, yeah, I should. I walk up. And she's like, this flight left. So we're not going to Chicago. Finally. Hey.
You must have.
Countdown. What time is it? 7:05. Feel me? Done getting started in like 25 minutes. 25 minutes.
We about to do this. We about to be in the spirit. We about to get slain out. This is how God works. Watch this. Get ready for this.
Thanks, bro.
If it's worthy of your praise, worthy of your worship, worthy of the lifting of your hands, the lifting of your voice, I need you to say it one more time. Jesus, Jesus. In this room, everything you need is right here. It's right here. Pastor Travis Green. Would you make some noise for Pastor Travis Green?
Just one, where would I be if you left me? Where would I be?
It is quickening. Yeah, I remember my grandmama telling me that the devil was a liar. I don't know how I got to this place in my life, and I forgot that he couldn't tell the truth. But the devil is. I want you to tell Facebook, Instagram, Periscope, Twitter, MySpace, Black Panics, Craigslist. I want you to make it in Cherry Park in 2018. The devil is
Let him work on
I'm recording a YouTube video. Could you say that again? Because I'm actually talking about last night too.
Yeah, I was just saying, like, the way that God, like, moved through him yesterday, and came upon him, because I mean he was like resting on you. It was just so awesome, man. Like it was so awesome. It blessed me. Like
wow.
So yeah, so
to God be the glory, because I needed every bit of that.
Listen,
and
I can tell, and I was like, go for what you know, get it,
yeah,
sir.
exactly.
You popped up in the praise. I was like, get it, sir.
That is so hilarious.
That's awesome, man.
Good morning. The room is kind of dirty. We checking out today though. I'm on pack. I love this book bag. Anyways, it is Sunday morning, 8:32 a.m. Church starts at 10:30, I believe. So Fire Conference 2018, almost at 17. Fire Conference 2018 has been a life-changing experience. I still haven't found the correct or accurate words to like describe my whole experience, but oh my gosh, every single night on the floor, on my face, tears running, snot, nose, dripping, like, and it's just like, I'm so on fire. I need to stop saying like too. I'm so on fire for what's to come. And I'm just on fire for Jesus. I don't care if I receive the blessings. I don't care if he doesn't do anything else. He's been so worthy that even when I had flashbacks of when I should have died in situations that were meant to take me out, God kept me and covered me in his grace and his love. And for that, I'll forever praise him. I'll forever thank him. I'll forever worship him because he's worthy. Straight like that. So y'all keep me in your prayers as I head back to New Jersey, East Coast, and as I embark on this new journey. I love each and every one of y'all. And
Good night.
hey yo, I'm back in New York. And I just want to thank y'all for watching this vlog. Yeah, if you can make it to Fire Conference in Atlanta in June, please make every effort to. I love y'all. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Let's go. It's brand new forever. Yeah.